Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make coconut burfi with condensed milk. So let's get started.
I've got here 3 cups of desiccated coconut, 1 can of condensed milk, 2 teaspoons of ghee, some yellow food color, and 4 cardamom pods which I have crushed. You will also need a dish for setting the burfi in, a pastry brush, a spatula, and a piece of baking paper. Apply some ghee on the base and the sides of the dish. Place the baking paper on the bottom of the dish and lightly apply some more ghee and put it aside. Place a non-stick fry pan on low heat. Add the remaining ghee and heat it until the ghee has melted. Add desiccated coconut and roast it for 2 minutes, stirring it continuously using a spatula. Add condensed milk and mix it well until combined. Add crushed cardamom and 1/4 teaspoon of yellow food color. Mix it well to combine and cook it for 3 minutes or until the mixture thickens slightly. Turn the heat off, transfer it into the prepared dish and press it down evenly using the spatula. Cover it with a plastic wrap and put it in the fridge to set for 2 hours. After 2 hours, take it out of the fridge, place it on the chopping board and cut it into any size or shape you like. My coconut burfi with condensed milk is ready and you can make it and serve it to family and friends. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.